pricing for the 2019 Subaru Ascent 3-row crossover SUV has been announced, including destination. The base trim carries an MSRP of $32,970. That's with standard 8-passenger seating, and like every Ascent, a 260-horsepower turbocharged 2.4-liter Boxer 4, a CVT and all-wheel drive. As a refresher, here are 15 fast facts about the 2019 Ascent. You can also see how it compares to the Honda Pilot and Toyota Highlander. Standard equipment on the base Ascent includes 18-inch alloy wheels, tri-zone climate control, eyesight accident avoidance tech, 4 USB ports, and Subaru's 6.5-inch Starlink touchscreen that brings with it Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The Ascent Premium starts at $35,170 and can be had with either 7 or 8-passenger seating. The latter includes second-row bench seating. It adds blind spot and rear cross-traffic warning systems, privacy glass, heated mirrors, a windshield wiper deicer, a power-adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, stain-resistant upholstery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear climate controls, and an upgraded 8-inch version of Starlink. Towing capacity is also raised to 5,000 pounds. There are 2 optional packages available on the Premium that adds some of the upper trim levels features. The Ascent Limited starts at $39,970 with either 8 or 7-passenger seating. It adds 20-inch wheels, adaptive LED headlights, LED fog lights, a power liftgate, leather seating, proximity entry and push-button start, second-row sunshades and 2 additional USB ports. An optional package including a panoramic sunroof, a cargo cover, integrated navigation and a Harman Kardon sound system can be added for $2,950. The top Ascent Touring costs $45,670. It includes the Limited options plus chrome exterior trim, automatic wipers, unique Java brown leather upholstery, a heated steering wheel, wood trim, ventilated front seats, even more USB ports, up to 8, a Cadillac-like rear view camera mirror and a 180-degree front view camera. The 2019 Subaru Ascent will arrive in dealers this summer.